ultimate challenge?
Ready!
Sex Bomb girls, take a look at your ultimate challenge blueprint.
Whippersnapper.
Mahirap yan. Kaya! Kaya yan! Kaya?
Sa challenge na ito, gagamitin ng contestant ang tuwalyang nakadikit sa sahig para ma-shoot ang isang ping-pong ball sa bucket na may lalim 15 feet.
Okay, ultimate challenge na. Ang mangyayari, whippersnapper. Pero medyo mahirap-hirap ang whippersnapper. All 4 players makagawa, yun yung sinasabi kong 1 million pesos. Pero sabi ko nga medyo challenging ang whippersnapper, kaya meron gusto magpadala ng kanyang good luck. Hello po?
Hi, girl. Sorry, hindi ako nakarating para masuportahan kayo. But still, I'm praying for you guys na sana maging safe kayo, protected kayo.
Yes, Lord.
And God sure kung nanalo
Yes,
kayo. But
amen. Claim it.
do all your best. I trusted you, and I know we will get you.
Thank you very much, Miss Joey Gasho. Ready, Sex Bomb girls?
Ready!
Eto na, ultimate challenge for 1 million pesos. Ready?
Ready.
You have a minute. Whippersnapper. Good luck, ladies.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Masyadong malakas.
Hey! Okay.
Masyadong malakas ang kay Luis.
Ay! Hey! 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 Sabay tayo. Tira. 1, 3. Ay, tanggal! At tanggal! Diretso lang, Luis.
10,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay. Nakikita natin, may isang pumasok. However, iba, hindi yung naka-assign na si Ira ang nakapasok dun sa basket na yon. Okay, so that means not counted para sa amin yon. Ladies, we're sorry.
It's
Kung ultimate challenge pag-uusapan, you failed. However, we'll say congratulations. Meron kayong 90,000 pesos. Thank you very much, Sex Bomb.